Hello everyone, in continuation to the series of short video, SKA compliance experts have taken up another circular in hand for simplifying. That is segregation and monitoring of collateral at client level. Let's understand the intention of SEBI for bringing such a huge change. In order to strengthen the mechanism of protection of client collateral, SEBI has come with this circular. To whom the circular is applicable? It is applicable to all trading member trading who are doing only proprietary trading are specifically exempted. All type of clearing member and custodian participant dealing with clients' collateral. It is also applicable for all segment and product to stock exchange and clearing corporation. Now let's understand from when the circular is applicable. The applicability of the circular is divided into two timelines. The provision applicable from the 1st of October 2021 is reporting mechanism by trading member and clearing members. The below provision of the circulars are applicable from the 1st of December 2021. Collateral deposits and allocation, collateral valuation, blocking of margin, change of allocation, withdrawal of collateral, default management process. In this video, we shall be discussing the provision of reporting mechanism by TMs and CMs which is applicable from the 1st of October 2021. What is the purpose of this reporting provision? To have an overall view of client-wise collateral at all level of trading member level, clearing member level, clearing corporation level, covering both cash and non-cash collateral. The reporting structure required disaggregated information of client collateral in following manner. Trading member shall report disaggregated information on collaterals up to the level of its clients to the CM. Clearing member shall report disaggregated information on collaterals up to the level of clearing corporation. The details to be reported should cover the information shown in the table, in order to have holistic view of the entire client collateral at various levels. What would be the frequency of reporting? The report is to be reported on daily basis, that is T+1 by 1 p.m. For Friday and Saturday. The report is to be uploaded on next trading day by 1 p.m. Now let's discuss the structure of format to be reported by trading members and clearing members. For the ease of understanding, we have broken down the format in 6 parts. First, basic information such as client code, client name, segment, etc. shall be covered in column number 1 to 9. Second, collateral that is funds and securities received by the trading member from the client shall be reported under column number 10 to 21. Out of the collateral received from the client, collateral retained by clearing member is to be reported under column number 22 to 29. Then, collateral placed with clearing member by trading member is to be reported under column number 30 to 37. Under column number 38 to 45. Collateral retained by the clearing member of the collateral placed by the TM shall be reported. Finally, the collateral placed by the clearing member or trading clearing member with the clearing corporation shall be reported under column number 46 to 51. While uploading the report, members shall keep the below point in mind. Trading member should report collateral clearing corporation wise. For example, funds available with NCL has to be reported under NCL only. Reporting has to be done UCC code wise. Combined reporting is prohibited. It has been clarified in FAQ issued by the exchange. The balance to be reported under column 10, that is financial ledger balance A, should include if the entries of EPI balance, pool balance, notional margin obligation, uncleared bank transaction and open bill passed in ledger. What collateral needs to be reported under this reporting? The below collateral placed as collateral with member has to be reported. Collateral received by the trading member from the client that is funds, securities through pledge-repledge mechanism, fixed deposits, bank guarantee, etc. Stocks and funds given for collateral for MTF segment has to be reported under CM segment. It has also been clarified not to report the funded stock of MTF. CUSA stock if placed as collateral. Value of EPI which is considered for margin purpose for the day shall be reported under column 20. Value of the securities, which are sold and available in the pool account of the member and considered for margin purpose for the day shall be reported. Self-clearing members needs to report the collaterals retained under column number 22 to 29. Retained with TM columns and not under column number 38 to 45. FAQ clearly mentioned to consider the haircut prescribed by the clearing corporation to be applied for the valuation of securities. All the current weekly reporting that is weekly enhanced. Cash and cash equivalent, bank balance and holding statement shall continue to be reported by the trading member. Members shall also report the client having debit balances in their ledger. Implementation of this reporting provision comes with practical hurdle at the end of trading member and clearing member. Member will have to maintain on daily basis bank reconciliation statement to avoid the mismatch and report uploaded with the books of member. Members will have to upgrade their back office software to be in line with the reporting format. Now it's time for SKA expert advice. In order to ascertain the availability of the funds of the client, members can pass inter-segment JV. However, members shall be required to ensure that sufficient collateral is allocated to clients to cover their margin requirements. Trading member shall not pass backdated entries in the client ledger as it will lead to discrepancies in the report with the books. In case, if the client gives the cash to the member and member convert the cash into FD and place the same with CM, how it is going to be reported. Let's understand with the help of example. Assume, trading member is involved only into the trading activity and clears the trade through the other clearing member. Trading member has received the cash from client A rupees 1,000. From client B rupees 1,000. And from client C rupees 1,000. And has rupees 500 of its own and FD created out of its own fund of rupees 1,000. These client has margin liability as well. Client A and B has margin obligation of rupees 500 each. Client C has rupees 1,000 margin obligation. An own obligation amounting to rupees 1,000, and trading member has created FD of rupees 25,000 out of its client fund of rupees 1,000 and placed the same to the clearing member. Member has also placed his cash of rupees 500 and client funds rupees 500 to the clearing member. This is how reporting will look like for the given example. In absence of clarification, we suggest, ideally, the FD is to be reported in column number 32, i.e. fixed deposit receipt placed with the clearing to make it match with the asset component on totality basis with the clearing member or clearing corporation. Member can interchange the cash and FD created out of client's fund within the clients. However, member should ensure himself that the total fixed deposits and cash placed with CM tally on totality basis with their file. Simultaneously, it is also need to be ensured that total collateral allocated shall not exceed total collateral received from the respective clients. This brings us to our thumb rule. The table has to match horizontally with the funds received from the client and vertically with the bank balance reported, clearing member and clearing corporation file, i.e. vertically client-wise funds and securities received reported should tally with client-wise the funds and securities retained and client-wise funds and securities placed with the clearing member and clearing corporation. Similarly, vertically total of column number 22 has to be less than or equal with the funds reported for client bank balance and settlement bank balance. Summation of column number 30 to 37 should tally asset component wise with the clearing member file. And finally, summation of column number 46 to 51 should tally asset component wise with the clearing corporation file. Here is the closing quote for the video. It is what it is. It was what it was. It will be what it will be. Don't stress it. We hope this video will assist you in achieving 100% compliance. Please feel free to get in touch with us for any further assistance and guidance. Thank you. This is the disclaimer.